Have you ever watched a bird in the sky and wondered something amazing? How can birds fly? They seem to float through the air so easily, sometimes gliding high above the trees or quickly flapping their wings as they travel from place to place. It can almost look like magic. But flying is not magic at all. It's something birds are specially built to do. To understand why birds can fly, let's start with their wings. Birds have wings instead of arms. Their wings are covered in feathers that help them move through the air. When a bird flaps its wings, it pushes air downward, and when air is pushed down, it helps lift the bird upwards. This lifting force is called lift. Lift is what allows birds to rise into the sky. But wings are not the only thing that helps birds fly. Birds also have very strong chest muscles. These muscles power the wings so they can flap again and again. Some birds flap their wings very quickly, while others flap slowly and glide for long distances. Birds also have very light bodies. Many of their bones are hollow, which means they have small spaces inside them. This helps reduce their weight, so flying takes less energy. Their feathers also play an important role. Feathers help birds control their movement in the air. They help with balance, steering, and slowing down when it's time to land. You might notice that some birds glide for long stretches without flapping their wings. When they do this, they are using moving air currents to help keep them up in the sky. This allows them to travel far without using too much energy. Different birds fly in different ways. Small birds like sparrows flap their wings quickly and move in short bursts. Large birds like eagles or hawks often soar high above the ground, riding warm air currents and gliding across the sky. Some birds, like hummingbirds, can even hover in one place while they drink nectar from flowers. That's because their wings beat extremely fast, sometimes dozens of times every second. So the next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember that many amazing things are happening at once. Strong wings, light bones, powerful muscles, and feathers that help guide their movement through the air. All of these together allow birds to do something truly remarkable. They can fly. Sometimes the things we see every day are full of wonder once we understand how they work. And watching birds soar through the sky is one of those wonderful moments. And that's today's quiet lesson. Big questions, small words, calm answers.